What's up guys, Shane Starnes here, and I've been using the Eufy Security Video Smart Lock S330 for the past year. In this video, I'm going to give you guys an update on how this has worked out for my family over the past year, some of its strengths and weaknesses. Big shout outs to Eufy for sponsoring this video. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that really stands out about the Eufy Video Smart Lock is that this is a 3-in-1 device. So you get a smart lock, a doorbell, plus a camera, all in one device, making this a whole lot more affordable than if you had to buy all those different things individually. This lock has 5 different ways to lock and unlock. You can unlock this with a fingerprint reader. There is a keypad. You have a traditional metal key. You can unlock and unlock from within the application, and you can use a smart assistant like Google Assistant or Alexa to unlock this lock remotely. For my family, the number one way that we unlock and lock this smart lock is with our fingerprint. I love the fact that I'm able to register fingerprints for every single member of my family. Whenever they unlock and unlock with their fingerprint, I'm notified in the application who it is that entered and exited the building. One of the reasons we really enjoy the fingerprint scanner is because it is super fast and super accurate, taking 1/3 of a second to actually read your fingerprint and a second to unlock the door. This is so much easier than even typing in a keypad, opening an application, or using a traditional key. However, I do enjoy the versatility of having the other methods. The key does come in handy if you allow the battery to go dead, which has not happened in the past year. I've been able to keep this battery fully charged. Having the keypad and being able to generate PIN codes especially comes in handy when my whole family is out of town. Maybe I need someone to come over and house sit or check the mail for me. Being able to assign them their own personal PIN has definitely been game changing. And of course, I love being able to use the smart assistant or the application to unlock and lock the door from the comfort of my couch. Video quality is a big part of this lock, and I have to say the video coming out of this smart lock is really good. So it does have a 2K camera, which means you get plenty of resolution. If you need to zoom in on a specific detail in an image like a name tag to see what company maybe the person in front of your door is with, you can do that with the 2K quality video, and the dynamic range is good enough here that you can actually see details on the face of the person that's standing in front of the door, even if there's a bright sun behind them. One thing that the Eufy Video Door Lock has that I haven't seen on any of the other door locks that I've tested is an enhanced night vision. When this option is selected, door frame reflection is mitigated so that the image isn't obscured and you're able to see more clearly at nighttime. Battery life has been absolutely amazing on this product. It does come with a 10,000 milliamp hour rechargeable battery, so you don't have to worry about replacing AA or AAA batteries monthly. With this battery, you're able to get several months of use out of each charge. In fact, my battery is currently at 80% and I charged it a couple months ago. So I've only actually had to charge this battery maybe 3 times total in the past year. Of course, this smart lock does notify me several days in advance of the battery going dead. That way I've got plenty of time to access the battery and recharge it. When compared to other smart locks, the battery life on here is outstanding. Smart notifications have been another big advantage of having this video smart lock. This not only lets me know when someone is standing at my door and needs to either be let in or spoken to via the 2-way communication, but it also lets me know when someone has left my home. I do have a 5-year-old in the house, so if she ever were to go outside on her own, I would be instantly notified. One thing that I love about these notifications is over the past year, they haven't slowed down. So there's still instant notifications. This lock is just as fast as it was the day that I installed it. Speaking of the smart notifications, this will even notify you if you have someone loitering. So it has smart loitering notifications and management. If someone has been loitering or hanging out in front of your door for too long, you can actually set this with an auto response so that it will speak to the person and they'll know that they're being watched with the camera. Maybe it will encourage them to move on. So just another added measure of safety with this product. This doorbell setup does include its own chime with expandable storage. That's one of the things that I love about all of my Eufy products, is that I don't have to pay a monthly subscription to be able to access my event history. I can just insert a micro SD card slot of up to 128 gigabytes into the chime, and that gives me access to all the event history coming from the video on the Eufy Security Smart Door Lock. Another thing that I really liked here is the dual motion sensors. This can accurately detect motion up to 95% of the time, up to 19 feet away, and you can even make up your own motion detection zone. That way, if you have a walkway that's close to your house, it's not going to notify you every time someone walks down the street. With accurate object detection, this is going to eliminate most of the false positives that you would normally get from motion. You're not going to be notified when a bird flies by, or if you have a flag in the front porch flapping in the wind, you won't be notified by that. Even after a full year of use, the Eufy Smart Video Door Lock is still my door lock of choice. And even though I've tested a few others throughout the year, that's the one that I always end up going back to. Features like night vision optimization, leaving home notification, and loitering notifications are only available on the Video Smart Lock S330. I'll be sure to leave a link in the description of where you can find out more about the Eufy Video Smart Lock and where you can purchase one for yourself. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.